Fabo Global combines engineering, technology, and manufacturing power to shape the future of the crushing and screening industry worldwide. The doors open, the lines start operating, and a major engineering force comes back to life. Steel is transformed into power in the hands of experts. From welded manufacturing processes to the paint shop, every detail is engineered for long-lasting performance, confidence in every connection, Fabo quality in every production. With our high-tech production infrastructure, we achieve millimetric precision in laser cutting and press brake bending processes. With our strong production capacity, we deliver uninterrupted solutions for the most demanding projects. In our modern CNC machinery park, all parts requiring high precision are processed to world-class standards. Fabo Global delivers reliable solutions to the industry through advanced production technologies. Smart systems are at the center of production. With automation technologies developed in-house, we make our facilities more efficient, more powerful, and more sustainable. For us, collaboration continues after sales. With our extensive spare parts stock, expert technical service teams, and strong logistics network, we stand by our customers all around the world. Because sustainable success is possible through uninterrupted support. Thanks to our strong stock infrastructure, we provide fast, reliable, and on-time solutions for every need. We carry the power we produce to every corner of the world. With our advanced logistics organization, we deliver projects to the field safely and on time. And today, facilities carrying the Fabo Global's signature are actively operating in many parts of the world. From crushing and screening plants to concrete batching plants, we provide powerful solutions extending from infrastructure projects to major industrial investments. Fabo Global, the meeting point of power, technology, and engineering. Innovation is the foundation of the Fabo culture.